Okay, so how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? By the way, you guys can leave your location. Leave your location. Tell me where you're from. Tell me where you're from. I'm checking you guys' chats right now. So drop the location of where you're from. Let's get to know each other here. Okay? So I love to see that. Okay. I'm seeing someone from Abuja, someone from Delta. Um, good morning, Uganda. Wow, wow, from Lagos, Abuja. Wow, that's nice. From Lagos, okay, okay. Enugu, Delta States. Is there anybody from PH here? Where are my brothers in PH? Ghana, that's nice. Ghana, that's nice. Kogi, Uganda. Okay. So let's get it popping on here. From let me see. Okay. Port Harcourt, okay, that's nice. Ghana. Okay, so hope you guys by the way, NFP is about to happen in the next you know, in about 1:30 my time, UK. That's nice. Okay. Okay. So let's keep on introducing ourselves. Where are you from? Okay, Lagos, Nigeria, UK, Nigeria, Lagos, okay. Let me check in. Mm-hmm. So very soon, in a moment right now, we are about to begin the analysis, and we're going to be looking at what we're going to be trading. So yeah. By the way, which pair would you like us to like analyze first? By the way, I want to know what pair do you guys trade so that we can start from there actually. Okay. Okay, so let's start with GBP. Let's start with GBP. So by the way, I've seen where you guys are from. Nice. A lot of people from different states. I'm happy to see that, and also from different countries. So let's start with the very thing right here. Let's start with the very thing. So if you're checking right here, we need to point out that GBP is in a consolidation. We need to point out that GPS is in a consolidation. You understand? Market is not bringing out much. The market is not bringing out as much candlestick as it's meant to. So, what this NFP is meant for right now is a breakout at a particular point, because most pairs, if you're checking right now, most of the pairs are really consolidating. If you check GBP USD, check Euro USD, most of the pairs have really been consolidating. So this NFP right here is just to give us that breakout that we've been looking for. Understand? So from here now, I've already drawn out the resistance at this point of the market. So there's a resistance here, and there's a support at this point of the market. Resistance, support, and what is really about to happen here is a breakout and everything. So in about let's just say in about um In about a few minutes, we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. But yeah, let's check in through. I'm coming. Just give. Okay. So let's head over. By the way, we're gonna be if we do see any position, if we do see any position right this moment, we're gonna be taking it. And for us to take this trade, we need to have our trading accounts ready. So if you don't have your trading account, just go ahead and check in the description of this video. Go ahead and create an account with Vantage Markets. Go ahead and create an account with Vantage Markets. This video is also powered by Vantage Markets. So we're going to be, if there's any trade, if there's any point that we do see, we're going to be taking it on here. We're going to be taking it right at the spot. And I don't want anybody to get left behind. I don't want anybody to be left behind on this. So go in the description of this video and go ahead and create a Vantage Market account so we can actually go ahead and take trades. So as I was saying, in this point in the market, in GBP right now, there is a consolidation right here. There's a resistance at this point in the market. So all we need to do is to wait for the NFP, for the news to happen. So we either see a break from either this side or this side. So whatever the market is doing at this area, is not we don't have to consider it. We don't have to consider it because the market is in a consolidation. Understand? Market is in a consolidation, and the NFP is going to bring out that break of wherever the market is going to go. Now, during NFP, the market doesn't move straight forward. I need to say this. During NFP, the market doesn't move straight forward. It's kind of, go up, it goes down, it goes up, goes down before it actually select the path that it wants to go. Now, there's two resistance. There's a resistance here. There's a support here. So what the market will do right now is that it will be bouncing within the support and resistance before it finally finds before it finally finds the place it's going to. So to go ahead and take a buy or take a sell now, it's not making any sense because the market is within a close support and the market is within a close resistance. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting for that to see the breakout of what happens right there. We're gonna be, you know, checking about what happened there. So let me see. What other pair? We've already gone with GBP USD. So let's check in. Which other pair should we look at right now? I'm listening to you guys. By the way, if you've not created an account with Vantage Market, I've already dropped the link in the description of this video. And also by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enter into the giveaway. So do make sure you go ahead and create an account with Vantage Market. Check in the description of the video, create an account with Vantage Market. So I want to hear from you guys. What other pair should we look at? We've already checked through GBPSD. We've already known that the market is in a consolidation, either a breakout from either both sides. So I'm waiting to hear from you guys. Which other pair are we going to be looking at right now? Okay, I'm seeing most people saying gold. I'm seeing most people say gold. So let's go with gold. Let's go with gold. XAUSD, right? Okay. By the way, for you to enter into the giveaway, I'm gonna let you guys know. So do stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, on gold right here, something different. It seems like the market is already moving in a downtrend already. Like, yeah. By the way, if you guys watch mostly, if you've been on the Telegram, if you're on the Telegram, you notice that I don't usually or I don't constantly trade gold. But on good occasions, when I do see like very fantastic moves, you understand, I get to trade gold and everything. So let's check in. Let's check in what is happening in gold. Okay. Okay. This is nice. Okay, this is nice. So right now on gold, you understand? The market, remember the strategy that I use is with moving averages. I trade with moving averages, 9 and 25 moving average to detect the trend. Now, in this area, we could see that the market is in an uptrend. Price above the 9 moving average, price above the 25. Market acted as a point of support, holding price and everything. So now in this case, the market went below the moving averages and everything, went below the 9, went below the 25. Now I want to show you guys something right now. I want to show you guys something. Now within this area, there's a support within this area. I won't call it a support. Let me call it a key level. I won't call it a support or resistance. I'll call this a key level. So now there's something that usually happens within this key level right here. There's something that happens within this key level. The market, um, the market must respect it. Within this key level, it's still the same thing as much as here. Let me draw it. Let me draw it out for you guys. It's still something as much as here. You see something as much as here. So this is where the particular key level is. Now price must respect it. And if you check what happened here, the market didn't respect this. The market didn't respect the key level. It just went down, continued going down, didn't respect anything. So what's going to happen here on gold? Gold is more likely right now. Gold is more likely to come to retest this area or try to hang around this area. So that's what I'm looking to see on gold. So I'm expecting gold to come and retest this area. Then when it retests this area, then it can continue. If it wants to go down, then it can continue going down. Then to this next support level here. This is our next support level. This is our next support level here. That's this area right here. Okay. That is this area in the market. This is the next support level. So I want to see price respect this area. I want to see price respect this area. Then we can actually continue with the gold sell. Or if gold doesn't want to sell, then it can actually come up. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing with gold. Okay, so far, if you're not, by the way, if you've not created an account with Vantage Markets, go into the description right now and create an account. This is actually, by the way, like I said, there will be a giveaway in this video, so you don't want to get left behind. I'm going to let you guys know. By the way, I'm going to let you guys know how you're going to get in. So make sure you do have a Vantage Market account. It's one of the criteria. So do that right now. Check in the description right now and go ahead and create an account with Vantage Markets. So by the way, which other pair are we gonna be looking at? Let's see. Drop in. I want to see you guys' comments. Drop in. Which other pair should we look at right now? We've gone through GBPSD. We've gone through gold. We've gone through GBPSD. We've gone through gold. So, which other pair right now? Which other pair? Okay. EU, yes, GPY. Okay. I think someone have been saying yes, GPY. So let's stick with USD GPY. Let's go through it with USD GPY. Right? So let's go ahead with that one. Let's go with USD GPY. Okay, so while we're in this live stream, I want to carry everybody along. Listen, I want to carry everybody along. So while we're in this live stream, I'm still gonna be I want to explain the strategy that I use so that people don't really, get confused and everything. So I'm going to be explaining the strategy that I use just to make sure that everybody is, following along. So if you've not been paying attention to every part of the live stream, pay attention to this part because I'm going to be talking about the essence, like the thing that backs up whatever we're doing, the thing that makes us to actually go ahead and take a trade, the thing that actually make us to see when to actually close our trade. Now, if you've heard me time without numbers on YouTube, on the YouTube videos and everything, I always talk about the 9 and the 25 moving average. Now, what I have on here, right here on my chart, is the 9 and the 25 moving average. Now, the red line right here is the 9 moving average, and the blue line right here is the 25. Now, whenever price is below the 9 and the 25, that means the market is in a downtrend. And whenever price is above the 9 and the 25, it means that the market is in an uptrend. You understand? So the only point when this doesn't happen as much is when there's a consolidation. So if there's a consolidation in the market, the 9 and the 25, what will happen at this point is like my price, the 9 and the 25 moving average will be moving in between price. Like you just be finding it, moving in between price. Now, this is the scenario where the 9 and the 25 moving average doesn't work as much. Now, how do you know, or how will you tell when the market is in a consolidation? You can tell when the market is in a consolidation, or you can know instances of where the market will be in a consolidation is when, whatever pair you're trading is not in session, and whatever pair you're trading is not in session, and in the times of low volatility. Now, there are points of usually low volatility, which is the December period, or maybe let's say in a public holiday. So in times like that, you can know that there could likely be a consolidation. There could likely be a consolidation. Okay. By the way, I'm seeing someone ask the time frame. The time frame I'm using right here. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. I'm surprised someone is asking this question because almost every time when I'm trading, I'm using the 1 hour time frame. So I'm using the 1 hour time frame right here. Most of what I do, I use the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So then once you've already gotten the moving averages together, you've gotten the 9 and the 25 moving average. The next most important thing is actually support and resistance. Support and resistance is the next most important thing because the 9 and 25 moving average will help you find trends, but support and resistance will really show you points of key levels in the market. So since I've already explained the core of everything, so since I've already explained the core of everything, let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's do an analysis on USD GPY. Let's do an analysis on USD GPY. So let's go ahead. Now see the same thing with USD GPY. Still the same thing with GBPUSD. The market is in a consolidation. GBPUSD is in a consolidation. USD GPY is in a consolidation. So let's go ahead and look. Let's get the points where the market is really, reacting from. Let's go ahead and get the points for support and resistance within, USD GPY. So let's check that in. Okay. Okay. So from this point, let me show you guys something. So from this point right here, that is this area right here. There's a resistance at this area because if you notice, there's like there's this point, there's a resistance here, right? Now the market is reacting to this area in the market. The market is reacting to this area in the market. So this right here is proving that this point is actually a point of resistance. Now, if you check within this area, there's actually a support level within this area. If you check here again, you can still see some points of weak. There's weak rejection. So support, resistance. Now at this point we've already gotten the support and resistance. Still the same thing like we did on GBPUSD. We are waiting for a breakout. We are waiting for a direct breakout on what's going to happen in the market. So when NFP comes, we will find out that the market will be dancing within this area. The market is going to be dancing within this area until it finally decides on where to go. Until it finally decides on where to go. By the way, By the way, if you've not created an account with Vantage Market, I've already dropped it in the link in the description. So do create an account with Vantage Market, because if you do find any position right now, we're going to go ahead and take it. And also, you don't want to get left behind. When we are making money, you don't want to be making demo trades. You don't want to be, showing us demo profits instead of showing us demo profits instead of real profits. So go ahead and click the link in the description, create an account with Vantage Market, and yeah, let's continue with everything. So let me check in what you guys are saying. Okay. So Michael, I'm seeing something. You texted something like how many pips do you advise to be used for SL? Um, actually, I'm just answering this question in random. I don't know if okay. Let me show it. So I see, Michael. You said how many pips do you advise to be used for SL? Now, it's not like, how will I put it? There's no specific amount of pips that you have to use in the market. It depends on key level over everything. So it depends on the key level of the market. That's where you go ahead and put your take profit and stop loss. It's not about like where stop loss, it doesn't depend on how many pips it is. So let's say if I have a trade right now, let me use for example, like let me clear the charts. Let me clear the charts. So let's say if I were to take this trade, sorry, let me put this back up because this is important. So you'll be using this to check through everything. So let's say if I have a trade right now and it's, let's say USD the market is going up and everything. The market is going up and everything. So you might be asking like you said, how many pips are we going to? How many pips is recommended for stop loss? So if I just say 10 pips, and let's say the market is at this point, and this right here is the point of key level, and I just calculated 10 pips, and 10 pips is here. When the market is just fluctuating, I could easily get stopped out and the market will move in my direction. So it's not all about pips. It's all about like where the particular key level is. So I believe I've answered that question. Answered that question. Okay, so by the way, let me show you guys. By the way, I know some people will be having difficulties with getting through with the Vantage Market app. So let me show you guys a simple way that you can actually get through with everything. Let me show you guys a simple way that you can actually get through with everything. Okay, let me show you guys how you can get through with everything. So best of the best, what you should use, you should go ahead and use my link. If you go ahead and download the app, if you download with the app, um, if you download with the app, you might not likely enter the giveaway. You might not likely enter the giveaway. So go ahead and directly use my link so you can enter the giveaway. So sign up with Vantage Market, use my link so I can enter into the giveaway. Very important, because 10 people is going to be selected. Yeah, 10 people is going to be selected, and yeah. So make sure you use the link so that you enter into the giveaway. If you just download the Vantage Market app like that, I'm sorry, I won't be able to see you. I won't be able to recognize it's you. So make sure you go ahead and use the link in the description. I've already put it out there for you guys. So go ahead and use the link in the description and sign up with Vantage Markets. So let me show you guys. Also, let me show you guys how the app really looks. And okay, I don't know why someone is saying GBPSD. We've already gone through GBPSD. But by the way, we'll still get through with that. Okay. So, by the way, if you guys have any like, if there's any question, let me know. Let me know so that I can, answer you guys' question. So yeah. Drop it in the chat section so I can see it. And also, if there's any pair that you want me to like, if there's any pair that you like me to, you know, okay, you already have an account. Okay, just try to, okay, just still tap into the link and yeah, exactly. App Store. Okay. Okay, so I want to hear from you guys. Well, which other pair should we go into? Which other pair should we search through and observe? So let me check. What are you guys saying? Most people are saying GBPSD. Already have an account with Vantage Market. Okay, signed up. Okay. Saying G G G G G A D N Z D. Okay. By the way, I'm still gonna go to GBPUSD. I'm still gonna go, I'm still. Okay. We've not hit on AUD NZD before, so we're still gonna go into GBPUSD for those that have missed it. But let's get into AUD NZD so that we actually touch on some areas. So let's go to AUD NZD. Okay. AUD NZD. Wow. Wait. Whoever that called AUD you're really good. You're good. Because look at how this space is trending. Like, um, look how this space is trending smoothly. Everything is just looking smooth. When the market is in a downtrend, it's in a downtrend properly. When the market is in an uptrend, it's in an uptrend. Wow, whoever that called this, big shout out to you. You do check out for pairs. Yeah, you do check out for pairs. So yeah, okay. So let's get into that. Let's get into ADNZD. So as for ADNZD, now I want you guys to remember our the what we use. We use the 9. We use the 25 moving averages. Understand? Price is below the 9. Price is below the 25. In this area right here. So this means that the market is in a downtrend. Now in this area, price is already above the 9 and the 25 moving average. What's this trying to signify? The market is in an uptrend. Understand? The market is in an uptrend. So what this means? Give me a little minute. Give me a little minute. AUD. Okay. Okay. So ADNZD. Yeah, let's get into that. Okay, let's get into that. By the way, I want to tell you guys, ADNZD is in an uptrend. So as far as the market is above this 25 moving average, above this 25 moving average, the market will still continue to go in that uptrend. Now, there's something I want to help you guys point out right here. Although this is a very small, I'm going to give you guys a big resistance level, and I'm going to give you guys a small resistance level, so can actually pick up from there. So now this right here is a small resistance level. So let's say if you want to buy AUDNZD now, I won't recommend you buying it now, but as long as you see price break above this area, then you can go ahead and take AUDNZD, take it for a buy. And then if you're taking it for a buy, you have to, let me give you guys the higher resistance level. Higher resistance level is around this 1.079 within this area. Let me get that point for you guys. 1.079 within this area. So if price breaks, let me use this. So if price breaks, above this level for ADNZD, if price breaks above this level, you can go ahead and take ADNZD down to this area. You can take it to this 0.79. Yeah, exactly. Very, very good. Yeah, exactly. So that's for ADNZD. ADNZD is in a buy position. Now, if you want to, by the way, I won't advise taking AUDNZD now until it breaks this level. But this is like a very tiny resistance, just little one. Once it breaks here, continue going up. Then yeah, you're good. You're good. You can just take it up to this level, this 0.79, this that area exactly. So let me show you guys. Okay, let me check. Wait, I'm seeing somebody say GBPS. Let's go to GBPS. Okay. So let's get back to that GBPSD comment. Let's get back to that GBPSD comments. Yeah. Okay, so let me. So this is how GPS is doing. Although it has not broken our resistance level. So we're still patient. So it's when we see a break within that area. But most likely, what the market will do is that it will just bounce around here before it actually continues. So let me show you guys how you can use the Vantage Market app. For those that might actually get confused. For those that can get confused, let me show you guys how you can really get the Vantage Market app. By the way, very important, you have to use the link. Although if you've already signed up for Vantage Market, no worries. Use the link. And also, now let me give you guys the main details. Now we're going to be selecting 10 persons 10 persons that use my link and deposit $50, we are going to be sending you $50. We're going to be crediting you another extra funding for your account. So go ahead and use my link. And I'm going to be announcing the winners, let's say, by today is Friday. So yeah, we're going to be announcing the winners by Tuesday. By Tuesday, we're going to be announcing the winners. So make sure you go ahead and do this, and we'll be announcing all the winners by Tuesday. So make sure you go ahead and use the link. Sign up with Vantage Markets right now, and yeah, let's get it started. Okay. Yeah. By the way, the minimum deposit for Vantage Markets is $50. Okay. Yeah. Dora, if you already have a Vantage Market account, in order for you to show up on our list, you have to deposit $50. Then we'll get the list. We'll pick within random persons. By Tuesday, we're going to be announcing the winners. I'm going to post that on maybe the next video I'm going to be uploading, or I'll upload it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok. But you're going to see that. So I'm going to be announcing the winners, right? So yeah. So let's let's do that. So we're still checking on GBP as it's still the same thing. Consolidation, the support, resistance, and everything. So let's see how the market really does within this support and resistance. We're still monitoring it. But by the way, I want to see what you guys are saying. Which other pair do you think? Yes, you can just verify. I can have fun. Yeah. By the way, I'm seeing this question, spreads on vantage markets. Jeez, this question this question right here is, the spreads on vantage markets are very, very good. I'm gonna lie. Like, particularly if you choose the ECN account, that's the bit, like that's the spreads. Come on, yeah. So yeah, that's nothing to worry about. Spreads on vantage market are good. So let me show you guys how the app is really like. So yeah. Now, just about how I'm trying to connect with everything. Just about how I'm trying to connect with everything. Let's do an analysis on Euro USD. As I'm trying to connect to show you guys how you can really use the Vantage Market app. You understand? Let me show you guys. Let's go on Euro USD because these are two major things. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to Euro USD. So yeah. Let's just give me a minute. Okay, still the same thing with Euro USD. Let's check in with Euro USD right here. So the market is in a little while. So the market is in a resistance zone right here. Still the same thing with Euro USD. Market is in a resistance zone around this area. So, like I said, NFP is not straightforward. NFP is not straightforward at all. So it really likes to dance around within a particular area. Now, the most concentrated area within this side is here. These two sides. So when we see how price reacts within this area, then we can know where the market is going. So when we see a breakout, then we know where the market is going. So as for as for Euro USD, if market breaks out, then the next point where it's more likely to get to is this area right here. 1.09, 1.09195 within that area. 1.09195 within this area right here. 195. Okay. So just somewhere around here, that's where it's gonna happen. So we want to see how the market will really react within this area, then before we can actually target everything. So let me show you guys the Vantage Market app real quick. Okay. Okay. So by the way, I would love to see. Okay, which other pair would you guys like me to analyze? So we've checked in with Euro USD, we've checked in with GBP USD. Euro USD, the market is in a consolidation. There's close support and resistance. GBP USD, there's close support and resistance. So yeah. So tell me, what pair are you looking at? I want to know what pair are you looking at? What pair are you looking at? So we can get to analyze that pair before time is currently 12 minutes past one. So tell me, I've gone through with GBP yesterday. I've gone through with Euro yesterday. You can, by the way, if you want to find out my analysis on GPS, just scroll a little bit, scroll a little bit. Okay. So by the way, let me show you guys the Vantage Market app real quick. So if you don't have the Vantage Market app, you can go to. By the way, best of all, use my link so that you can enter in for the giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winners by Tuesday. So by Tuesday, I'm going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway. So I've told you guys how you can enter, make a deposit, sign in with my link, or already if you've already signed in and you've signed in with my link, make a deposit. Then we're going to be sending 10 persons out of the numbers. We're going to be sending 10 persons $50, crediting them an extra funding. Maybe we'll send it to your crypto, your bank account, whatever you have. Yeah, so you can actually use that support your trading. Yeah. So make sure you're doing that. G, you buy yourself. Let me answer this question. Do you buy yourself? So the same thing we have with Euro USD, we're having close support and resistance. So one thing with GBPSD is that one thing with NFP is that it doesn't move straight forward. It hits within support and resistance before it decides the point to go. So I've drawn in the support and resistance. I've drawn in the support and resistance. So yeah, I've joined into support and resistance. I think this is the resistance right here, and the resistance is somewhere around here. So basically, by the way, if the person asking for the analysis on GPPs, just scroll a little bit. You see what I've explained on there. There's a resistance, there's a support, and I've already drawn out the resistance for you guys. I think let me draw this support. Let me draw the support again. We're working with this level. So we want to see how the market really reacts from there. Then we can actually decide what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, so more especially, what I'm expecting is a test within this area. So what from XAUSD, what I'm expecting is like a retest on this area. Then from there, whether the market want to go up or whether the market want to go down, it depends. But I'm really expecting GBPSD. What I want is gold to move from this area to this area to retest this area. That's exactly what I'll be needing from gold. So yeah, let me not clear everything because so yeah. So yeah, let me show you guys. By the way, let me show you guys the app, the Vantage Market app. So if you've not had it, once you tap into the link, it will show you the Vantage Market app. So what you have to do is just as you're seeing on my screen, what you have to do is that just download it right there. So download the Vantage Market app right there. Okay, download. By the way, I've already had it before, but I'm just showing you guys so you guys will know how it will be. By the way, it's very much more easier to use the Vantage Market app. Like really, it's much more easier to use the Vantage Market app because you can you can place trades directly on there. So like I showed you guys in my last video, if you watch my last video, see the same thing. You can place trades on there. You can actually go ahead and do your analysis on there. Even there's something that I'm even missing, sir. When you have the Vantage, by the way, I've already opened it right here. I've already have my app on here. I've already downloaded it and it's currently just set it up and everything. So everything is showing up there. So one thing I really like about Vantage Market is um, there's this trading view. Vantage Market is also connected with trading view. So you can still go ahead as you have trading view right now. You can still go ahead and place a trade on your account exactly like TradingView. So that's within the Pro Trader section. So let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how it really looks like. So within the Pro Trader section, you know, you get everything like everything you're seeing on TradingView. You get it on there with the ability to place trades on that side, like just like you're placing trades directly on TradingView. So yeah. So let me just go ahead and by the way, if you have the Vantage Market app, let me just go ahead and log in. Let me log in. Let me log in. Let me log in so you guys could actually see it. Okay. Time is 1:20 p.m. So let's check. So let's see. Support resistance. As for gold, we're expecting what we want is a retracement at that point. Then whatever the market happens from there, that's it. But we're expecting a retracement to that point I just drew, right? A retracement to this point, this level. I think I've drawn a lot of things on here, but you can actually get that point. Same thing with GBP. Now GBPSD, we are really just waiting for that break to see where it's going. Okay. And as for AUD I think that was the last pair that I that was the pair I analyzed. So as for that AUD there will be no NFP won't be affecting it because it's not within like pounds, dollar, like within the major currency base. So yeah. Okay. So let's see. So as for GBPUSD, let me give out there's something let me give out something right here. Um if as for GBPUSD, okay, two four eight. Okay, let's see. As for GBPUSD, yeah, okay. If the market breaks within here, understand if the market breaks within here, it's going to get to this area. It's going to get to this 1.28247. Right? So let's see. 6 4. Okay. Okay, so let's do this right now. Let's do this right now. So let's see how the market really reacts to here. Then we can know how to do it. So that's one thing about NFP. NFP you have to be really fast. But let's check out how the market reacts to here. So really checking with all these points. So let's see how the market really reacts there. Okay. So let's just see how the market really reacts from there. Yeah. So really, it's just like 2 minutes right now, and everything will just like happen. Obviously. Okay, about a minute from now. So let's see. Minute from now. Okay, see what I'm saying? Oh my god. Okay, so currently right now, let me show you guys something. Currently right now, sorry, GBPSD is at a support level. So currently right now, GBPSD is at the support level. So most likely, let's say, we will get any reaction, a rejection from the very important. Will you get any rejection from there? Will we get any rejection from there? So X series, let me check something. He just straight. Here's the charts. What's happening here? What's happening here? Are we gonna get a rejection from there? Let's see. Should look a little bit. So mostly what happened here was like a rejection around this area. Price respected the support zone within this area. So now there's a support zone within here. So if the markets, if you see lots of wick within here, then we can consider buying GBPSD to somewhere around here. But let's see how the market really plays. Nice, 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 nice. That's nice. Okay. By the way, Omar, you said how do you get? So within by the way, if you've already used the link and you've made a deposit of about $50, oh sorry, you've already made a deposit. You've already made a deposit, so you have to make a deposit. So you'll be with your list. You're going to be within our list. Then we're going to be selecting 10 persons from there, and we're going to be selecting 10 persons from there, and by Tuesday, we're going to be releasing the lists. And if your name comes out, we're going to be asking you for your details. And yeah, you go ahead and send it to us. Okay, that's nice. So once you've already, like I said, once you've already opened a Vantage Market account, go ahead and make a deposit. For you to enter into the giveaway, go ahead and make a deposit. And your name will be listed on, yeah, okay? So your name will be listed. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Everybody is showing $20 meat, $25 meat $15. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, fair enough. Okay, the drop. Okay, got label, made $10. You made money, bro. You made money. $15 meat. That's nice. Okay. Just go ahead and make a deposit. So you can get into our list, and then we're going to be releasing it out. We're going to be releasing it out the list by the giveaway winners by Tuesdays. By Tuesday, sorry. Okay. Obviously. Okay, I see, I see, I see, I see. Okay. But by the way, I couldn't. By the way, just before anything, just before anything, I was really just on. I've been finding a way to actually share my screen on my phone right here to the live stream. I'm finding a way to share my screen so that I can really show you guys this how the Vantage Market app works and everything. But I'm just going to try to show you guys from this. Let me set this to white mode so that let me set this to white mode so that you guys can really see it. Okay. Let me set this to white mode. So let me so let me show you guys. So this right here is the trade section. This is the order section. So if you already have a trade, you can go ahead and see your orders right there, whatever orders, the history of whatever you trade. Then another thing is that you have the discover section. So this discover section, you can go ahead and do copy trading on there. Wait, let me check it. Let me check in with GBPS. Seems like GBPS is going to drop more. Wait, let me check in. Let me check in. Let me check in. If GPSD is going to drop more, I'm expecting it to get to this area right there. Okay, right here. Let me show you guys. Within this 1.08024, this area right here, 1.08024. So that number 1.08024. 1.08024. Okay, why is this number different? Okay, this is Euro USD, sorry. GBP USD. 1.08. Okay, I think that's a different number. So let me get that one here. 1.29, 1.26933 within here, right? 1.269 33 within this area. So this is one level, this is another level. So price do respect these levels. Price do respect this level. So if the market is going to drop, it's going to drop down to this area. It's going to retest, it's going to retest this area. So within these two levels, these are two major levels right there. So back to what I was saying. Back to what I was saying. This is the copy trading section. So you can go ahead and if you don't want to trade on your own, you can just go ahead and select it with the copy trading section. Find any trader that you like that you feel is good. You can go ahead and use them. Another thing is that you can also use the economic calendar. They also give you economic calendar. So if GBP USD is in news or Euro USD is in news, just as right here, there is news on NFP. Yeah, you can actually get that on here. And also, you can also get live sessions, live trade, and everything. So yeah, that's also one thing that can actually happen on there. So by the way, I've told you guys how you can really just get into the I've really told you guys how you can really just get into the giveaway and everything. So yeah, that's particularly it for this live stream. I'm giving you guys the next level. So if GPS is going down, the next support level is this area 1.26932. Then the next key level is here 1.27695. So yeah, that's particularly it for this live stream. So by the way, I hope you guys did enjoy this live stream. We've already stayed in like an hour plus. We've already stayed like an hour plus. Okay, so we've already stayed in for like an hour plus. We've already stayed in for an hour plus. So I think right here, I'm gonna be ending this live session right here. By the way, like as I've showed you guys, go ahead and use the link in the description of this video so you enter into the giveaway. Very important. Enter into the giveaway with the link in the description of this particular video. And I'm gonna be calling out the winners by Tuesday. Send me your details and we're gonna be crediting you your money. So I hope you guys did enjoy this live session. Trust me, I'm going to be doing more of this. And with that being said, I hope you guys do have a nice day. And yeah, I really enjoyed this. I'll be coming on live more often so we can get through with this. So yeah, with that being said, peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, before I go, somebody said what time on Tuesday? Let me highlight that. What time on Tuesday? Let me highlight that. Let me see. Let's give it by 1 p.m. Tuesday. By 1 p.m. Tuesday, I'm gonna be releasing the list out. So I'm gonna release it out on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere you're following me, Telegram, all of that is gonna be there. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. By the way, last but not the least, for the link, check in my description. Is in the description right there. Is in the description right there. Check in the description. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out.